Hi guys, welcome back to Fahmina's Creation. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make this gorgeous diamond waffle stitch. So let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this DK yarn and this crochet hook size 5 and a small scissor. First of all, we're going to start with a slip knot. For this specific project, you need to chain in multiples of 2. So I'm going to crochet 16 chains. So let's start. To create your chain space, wrap the yarn around your crochet hook and pull through. That's 1. Wrap the yarn around, pull through, wrap the yarn around and pull through. So that's your chain. Just go ahead and carry on creating chains in multiples of 2. And then I will show you the next steps. So I've done my 16 chains. Now I will start row 1. To start your row 1, first of all chain 1, and then from the second chain from your crochet hook, start doing single crochet. So that's first chain, that's the second chain. So I'm going to start from here and put my crochet hook through the second chain from the crochet hook and pull up a loop, 2 loops in my crochet hook, wrap the yarn around and pull through. That's my first single crochet done. Then move to the next chain and another single crochet. So just go ahead and keep crocheting single crochet, 1 single crochet in each chain space throughout the row, and I'll meet you at the end. So finish crocheting row 1. I'm just going to turn my work around and start row 2 and start with a chain 1 space, and from the very first chain, this chain, we are going to start crocheting double crochet. So to create your double crochet, wrap the yarn around, put your crochet hook through the very first chain and pull up a loop, 3 loops in your crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2. Move to the next chain and crochet another double crochet. So row 2 is a double crochet row, which means we are going to crochet double crochet throughout this row 1, double crochet in each chain space. So just go ahead and keep crocheting double crochet. I will be back at the end to show you more. End of row 2, I'm just going to turn my work around to start row 3. First of all, start with a chain 1. We start row 3 with a treble crochet, and for that we'll leave this row 2 and we'll go back 1 row below to row 1. Wrap the yarn around your crochet hook twice. Now skip first single crochet, move to the second single crochet. Now put your crochet hook from the top to the under the single crochet and pull it back again from the other side of the single crochet, and then now wrap the yarn around your crochet hook and pull up a loop. You got 4 loops in your crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2, wrap the yarn around and pull through 2, wrap the yarn around and pull through 2 again. So that's our first treble crochet. So skip the very first chain from here because we have done a treble crochet here, so it's covering this chain, and we'll move to the next chain, second chain, and crochet a single crochet there. So that's 1. Now move to the next chain and another single crochet, move to the next chain, another single crochet. So we've done 3 single crochet in a row, and now we are going to do our another treble crochet. So wrap the yarn around your crochet hook twice, and now go back to that same single crochet stitch from row 1 where we have done our first treble crochet. So we are going to go back there and put our crochet hook from one side top and take it out from the other side. Now wrap the yarn around your crochet hook and pull up a loop, 4 loops in your crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2, wrap the yarn around and pull through 2. Done all these steps except the very last steps for our treble crochet. Here we are going to skip the next 3 stitches from row 1, and from the 4th stitch we are going to do another treble crochet while we are still keeping the last 2 loops from this second treble crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th single crochet where we are going to do our treble crochet. So wrap the yarn around your crochet hook twice, put your crochet hook through the single crochet from top to bottom and then pull up a loop. At this point you will have 5 loops in your crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around, pull through 2, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2, and wrap the yarn around, pull through all 3 loops from your crochet hook. So that's done. Now skip 1 chain, and from the next chain crochet 3 single crochet in the next 3 chain spaces. So skip 1 chain, in the next chain we are doing a single crochet, in the very next chain we are doing another single crochet, and in the next chain again another single crochet. Now keep repeating these steps until you come to the end of this row. We are crocheting very last treble crochet for this row. Now skip 1 chain, and in the next chain do a single crochet, next chain another single crochet, and finally in the very last chain another single crochet. Finished row 3. Now time to turn my work to start row 4. So start row 4 with a chain 1 space, and then from the very first chain to a double crochet. So wrap the yarn around, to your crochet hook through the chain, 3 loops in a crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2. First double crochet done. In the next chain do another double crochet. So like row 2, this row is row 4 is also going to be a double crochet row. So you're going to crochet 1 double crochet in each chain space for the rest of this row. And actually all the even number rows you are going to do the same double crochet, and the odd number of rows going to be the front side like this, and there you are going to crochet your diamond stitch. So just go ahead and keep crocheting double crochet for this row, and I'll meet you at the end. Finished row 4. Now time to turn our work around and start row 5. So start row 5 with a chain 1, and from the very first chain we are going to crochet single crochet. So put your crochet hook through, pull up a loop, wrap it around, pull through 2. In the next chain another single crochet, in the next chain another single crochet. So we have done 3 single crochet in a row in row 5. Now time for a treble crochet. So wrap the yarn around your crochet hook twice. You can easily see the treble crochet where the treble crochet stitch where it finished and where it joined. So this is where we are going to crochet our next row's treble crochet. So this is the very first treble crochet, and we are going to do our first treble crochet of row 5 around this. So I've already wrapped the yarn around twice. Now move to row 3 and find the treble crochet here, and we are going to do our treble crochet around it. So put your crochet hook through from top and then take it out from the other side and pull up a loop. Got 4 loops in your crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2, and the last 2 loops we will keep it in our crochet hook, and we'll move to the next joining point here, treble crochet joining point, and there we're going to do another treble crochet. So wrap the yarn around your crochet hook twice, move there and put your crochet hook through from top, go to the bottom and then come back from the other side. So wrap the yarn around your crochet hook and pull up a loop. You got 5 loops in your crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around, pull through 2, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2. You got 3 loops in your crochet hook now. Wrap the yarn around and pull through all 3 loops. That's your second treble crochet done. Now skip 1 chain and move to the next chain and do a single crochet. And the next chain is going to be another single crochet. In the next chain, another single crochet. 3 single crochets in a row. Time for another treble crochet. So wrap the yarn around your crochet hook twice. Move to the joining point again, the same stitch where you have just done your treble crochet. There you're going to do another treble crochet. So put your crochet hook through that stitch, wrap the yarn around and pull up a loop. 4 loops in your crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2, wrap the yarn around and pull through 2. The last 2 loops we will keep in our crochet hook and we won't finish it just yet. We are going to do our next treble crochet. So wrap the yarn around your crochet hook twice. Now move to the next treble crochet joining point and put your crochet hook through that stitch, and there we are going to crochet another treble crochet. Got 3 loops left now. Wrap the yarn around and pull through all 3 loops. So that's another diamond is formed. Now skip 1 chain here and from the next chain do 3 single crochet, the next 3 chain spaces. So just go ahead and keep repeating these steps until you come to the end of your row. This is going to be our very last treble crochet. So wrap the yarn around twice and move to the same stitch where you have done your previous treble crochet and put your crochet hook through that stitch and pull up a loop. You got 4 loops in your crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around, pull through 2, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2. You still have last 2 loops left, so keep it there and move to the very last chain of this row and do a single crochet. So put your crochet hook through, pull up a loop, 3 loops in your crochet hook. Now wrap the yarn around your crochet hook and pull it through all 3 loops. And that's the end of row 5. Now let's start row 6. Turn your work around and chain 1. Now crochet a double crochet stitch from the very first chain of this row. In the next chain, another double crochet. So this row we know is going to be a double crochet row. So just go ahead and keep crocheting 1 double crochet in each 1 chain space for the rest of this row, and I'll meet you at the end. We'll start row 7 with a chain 1 followed by a treble crochet. So wrap the yarn around your crochet hook twice. Now find the joining point head of the previous row's treble crochet stitches. So this is where it joined. Our first treble crochet is going to be on top of this stitch. Okay, treble crochet stitches. So I've already wrapped the yarn around twice for my treble crochet. Now putting my crochet hook through that stitch and pull up a loop. So I've got 4 loops in my crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around, pull through 2, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2, and wrap the yarn around and pull through last 2 loops. Now I'm going to skip the very first chain, and from the second chain I'm going to do 3 single crochet in the next 3 chain spaces. Now I've wrapped the yarn around twice. Now go back to the stitch where you have done your previous treble crochet for this row, and there we are going to do our next treble crochet. So put your crochet hook through, pull up a loop, got 4 loops, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2. Now leave the last 2 loops in your crochet hook and wrap the yarn around your crochet hook twice for your next treble crochet stitch and go to the next joining point. Yes, so put your crochet hook through that stitch, pull up a loop. We got 5 loops, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2, wrap the yarn around, pull through 2. Last 3 loops wrap the yarn around, pull through all 3 loops. So let's go ahead and keep repeating these steps until you come to the end of this row. So we are at the end of row 7, and in the last 3 chain, crochet 3 single crochet. So finally, the very last chain, we are doing our last single crochet of row 7. That's the end of row 7. So I think I have already showed you all the steps that you will need to crochet your diamond shape waffle stitch. Now to create more rows, you just have to repeat from row 4 to row 7. So that's it for today, and I will be back with more projects. Till then, take care. Bye.